I was about to head to bed, but then I realized I forgot to show you something today. I didn't vlog yesterday because oh, my voice. That was weird. I didn't vlog yesterday because it was my mom's birthday and I was just hanging out with my mom all day. So I don't like to vlog when I'm spending quality time with mom, so that's why. And then today I had plans to go downtown to meet a friend. This friend has always, kept in touch with me. We always update each other once in a while, but hard to hang out because we both had full-time jobs, and then on weekends he's so busy with dealing with his family and stuff that he doesn't have time to hang out. But the plans fell through because the original plan was I was going to go downtown and meet him for lunch on his lunch break, but then he had a lunch meeting last minute, so good thing he called me before I got dressed or anything. So we'll have to reschedule again. One of my routines lately has been an hour before I sleep. I usually watch an episode of Kdrama, and then I listen to some random cozy music, which you can hear in the background. Hopefully it's not going to be copyrighted. And then I head to bed around 9:30 because I'm so tired. But I forgot to show you. Yesterday I did order something new. I had to order a new keyboard because the current one right here, it works fine as a normal keyboard. But the problem I encountered over the last month that I tolerated and put up with because I thought it was just a small problem was my W key is not functioning properly. That being said, if I'm just typing, it's fine. But in a game, when I press the W, especially playing like a first-person shooter, if I press W, your character's supposed to move forward. For some reason, I thought at first my game was lagging because when I press W, my character in the game would like stutter forward. So I'm like, oh, is it a lag? It seems like a delay. But no, I've learned that for some reason my W key's not working properly, registering properly. So I would have to tap the W key a few times before it walks normal. So I thought it was lag or an internet connection, but it's my keyboard. So I think my W key is defective. I took the key off, I blew it, the air on it to redust it and everything, but it still has that problem. It's not a problem, but when I'm in the middle of a team fight or a heated battle and I'm trying to run away or engage the enemy by pressing W to go forward or W to walk away, the worst situation is I'm trying to run for cover, but then for some reason halfway through me just tap my fingers on the W key, my character's really moving, but for some reason halfway through me moving into cover it stops registering, my character just stands still and I get eliminated. So that doesn't work. So I did order a new keyboard. I did shop a bit around for it because I didn't want to overspend money, but I do need a keyboard because I'm gaming a lot now that I have free time. I found this one right here from the Steel series. I was gonna go for the Logitech one, but the Logitech ones, the decent ones, are about $69 to $80. This Steel series was on sale for $30, and I got really good reviews. And Steel series is a brand is a reliable brand. There was a really cool keyboard that was for $19 from a company I never heard of. It's probably from a company from China. Pretty sure it works really well. It looks really good, but then when I clicked it and looked at reviews, it got favorable reviews. But the keyboard, there's lights too, but there's it's white stuff around the keys. It's really thick and really unappealing. So I'm like, you know what? For $10 more, you can get a brand I know. And so I went with the Steel series instead. To be fair, this keyboard right here has lasted me for a good 10 years. But again, for the 10, not even more than 10, but maybe 15 years, it's a very old keyboard now. But the thing is, I say 10 to 15 years, but realistically, there was a period of time where I didn't play a lot of video games on my PC because my PC was the old PC that was really bad. Because my old PC was about 20 years old before I finally got my beautiful beast that I'm using now. So I would say good 5 years I didn't really play a lot of games on my PC. So yeah, but hopefully this person was okay. What time is it? Oh yeah, it's almost time. I'm just gonna open the box. I'm not gonna plug it in because I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. I'm gonna keep my sleeping schedule right? So I'm just gonna open it, make sure all the keys are good, and then tomorrow morning I'll plug it in. I think that's the plan. I was just visiting my friend at the outlet mall. She works at one of the stores, and it's been forever since I caught up with her. It's really good seeing her. I forgot how much I miss Marble. She was always like a mommy figure to me. She's just always big ball energy. And then when I was waiting for her to go on her break, I was watching her help customers, and it takes me back to how she usually is. She's very bubbly. She has not changed. It's always good to see in customer service. I would like to say that I haven't changed, but I think I've changed over the years. I'm not as patient anymore. Anyway, I had lunch with her, and it was really good catching up with her. Talked about work, and it was really nice. She was one type of person that also I know very well. The fact that she didn't ask me, "What are you doing now? What's going to happen?" Blah blah. She didn't do that to me at all, which I appreciated. I hate those that do that to me. Like, if I know that, I would have told you already. I love the fact that these people don't question it. They just catch up with me, blah, blah. Even though they know a store closed, I don't have a job. They don't ask, "What are you doing? Oh my God, what's going to happen?" Like, they genuinely care about me in general. That's why they ask the other questions. Because if I did have something going on, I would have told you. So yeah, there's a slight difference between people that have been talking to me, I've noticed. Those that genuinely care, and those who just want the tea and would hardly care less and only messaged me so far because they want the tea. Anyway, I walked around the mall. There wasn't really much to look at. As I've always known, MacArthur Glen's a nice looking mall. It's just that the stores don't have a lot to offer, and the customer service isn't here. But that being said, I know why. They're tired. They're tired of the abuse they get from the customers here. The customers here are a different level of annoying. I walked around. I didn't know they opened a Castella here, so I grabbed some of those cheese tarts I really liked because I was craving it. So I was like, perfect. I don't have to go to Richmond Center. I'm already here. Oh, this tracking thing is tracking me pretty well. So yeah, I'm going to go buy some groceries. What time is it? It's only at 2, perfect. I'm going to go buy some groceries since I'm already out, and then head home. Nothing else planned. Just had a mini panic because I flipped the screen on this camera and nothing turned on, and I was like, what's happening? Because usually as soon as I flip the screen, it turns on. So I was a little bit caught off guard. I was like, why is it not turning on? We're good. I flipped back in. I was like, oh my God, this camera's still new. Why is it bugging out already? I'm going to get a closer look after this. But yeah, Sorry for the lackluster content near the end of the week. Basically, yesterday I did some family stuff, and today was my aunt's big birthday, and so I also didn't vlog much because in the majority of the day I was home doing nothing, and then it was the dinner. I don't like vlogging family events or family functions because my family doesn't get it, and there'll be a bajillion questions I don't want to answer, and my energy is already very limited after doing family events because to me, I'm one of those people that find family events draining. It's partially because I have to put on a smile and I have to fake it. And especially lately, I'm way more burnt out at family events because I get a lot of questions because I don't have a job right now, right? And they all know that. So they'll bajillion questions and I find myself repeating myself because even though I've answered the same question not too long ago, because I saw them Saturday. So today, they asked the same question, oh, you're looking for jobs? I'm like, nothing has happened in the last 24 hours. It just bugs me when they ask me because in this instance, clearly they were not paying attention to me when they asked the question the first time on Saturday. So that's why they have no recollection of asking me. So that's why they're asking me again on Sunday. Like, part of people probably think, oh, they just care about you, James. That's why. No, they're just nosy. Let's be honest. So I don't know. I'm looking for jobs. It's just really draining. So that's why I didn't bother vlogging. But yeah, no, dinner was good. It was just very long. So I got home and it's like basically 9 o'clock right now and I'm exhausted because it's almost bedtime. But nothing too crazy did happen this week. Next week, I don't know what's happening. I did meet Ina on Friday. I didn't vlog that. I don't recall vlogging it. And then I was supposed to meet Takumi today, but I forgot about my aunt's birthday thing, and so I moved it to tomorrow. So lots going on. So I'm seeing Takumi tomorrow. I think I'm seeing another friend on Wednesday, and then on Monday I'm meeting my mom. So there's a lot going on. I've been keeping busy. But yeah. My routine is still sleeping around 9:30, waking up around 5:30, 6 a.m., starting my day. I'm glad I've gotten to a routine, and a healthy routine, and it's good. I'm not taking this time where I'm not employed and I'm getting unhealthy and having all these bad habits, so it's good. But yeah, I was gonna go to sleep, but then I realized I didn't end the vlog, so that's why I'm doing it right now. So I will see you all next week.